Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO Watch X2 Mini and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, you can simply tap on it to select it and apply it, like this. You can also edit some of the watch faces, so under the watch face you will see this edit button. You can tap on it, and here, for example, let's skip the tutorial, come on, okay, you can change the color, then you can swipe. Oh no, this one only allows you to change the color, because some of the watch faces allow you to change more than just color. For example, let's see, maybe this one. No, this one is not, doesn't have edit option. So how about this one? It allows you to change the indexes and also something else, color. So some of the watch faces have different things you can edit. And once you're done, of course, editing, you can press the crown button to apply the changes, like this. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the watch face. So we're gonna bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the OHealth application. In the app, we can tap on device, and here you should see your OPPO Watch X2 Mini, and right here you should see watch faces, and you can tap on edit, and you can see the list of watch faces on your watch. You can find the one you like, tap on it, and then tap on set as watch face, and it should be applied. Come on, go back to home screen, like this. So if we tap on this one, it will be applied too, like this. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.